Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to show file extensions in Windows 11 so you can see complete file names clearly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer from the taskbar or search for it in the Start menu. This is where all your files and folders are managed. Step 2. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. This opens the More Options menu. Step 3. Click on Options to open Folder Options. Here you can control how files are displayed. Step 4. Go to the View tab. This section contains file display settings. Step 5. Uncheck Hide extensions for known file types. This will show extensions like .jpg or .txt next to file names. Step 6. Click Apply to save the change. The update will take effect immediately. Step 7. Click OK to close the window. File extensions will now stay visible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.